description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got something fascinating. This is Chil Cob, and I keep wanting to call it Chil Cab, but it's Chil Cob. And this is their Chewy noodle and Topokki. Okay, so that's the thing. So I've been using ChatGPT a lot, and I took a scan. I always scan everything, and I scanned the side panels of this. Where was it? Right here. The translation on it was unbelievably good. It was not jacked up. It wasn't weird. It did an absolutely superb job. So I want to say that because I've used Google, I've used a lot of things to do that kind of thing, and it just doesn't work out all that well. But this did. Okay. Set the line. Yeah. Right? God, it's so hard to see it. That's gotta be to the line. Well, it's to the line. And what's neat about the way I have my setup now is I can just flip over, open all the packages, noodles, rice cakes, and tteokbokki, pour 130 mils of boiling water into the container up to the marked line, then add the noodles, rice cakes, and sauce in that order. Okay. So cool. Let me go back to this. And I'm going to keep this lid here. So, yeah, this is a refrigerated one. It wasn't exactly refrigerated there, but the noodles. So what it's going to do is steam everything. Here's the noodle. Look at that. Super thick. So that's going to go on the bottom. And then we've got the tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. Right here, do you have a... Yep, you've got a do not eat as well. It's all about do not eat the sachet here today, because there's a lot of do not eats in this one. There's another do not eat. It's not a food. Will it kill you? No. You will survive. But, you won't feel full, that's for sure. It's not going to do anything bad to you. Okay, so there's that. And now we add the sauce. And it mentions you leave the lid on loosely, so I'm just going to go like that when I microwave it. And hope for the best. So let's put our sauce in there now. In the correct order of operations. I'm going to try to get it on top of everything. Maybe that is key to what I'm doing here. It's so funny. It's like 20 minutes ago, before I did my last video, I didn't feel like doing the show. And now I'm doing the show and I'm like, why wouldn't I feel like doing the show? Okay, so 3.5 minutes at 1,000 watts. So here we go, ladies and gents. I'm a little worried about this one, but I think it'll be okay. There we go. There we go. So 3.5 minutes. And away we go. Actually, the microwave is Korean, so it should be good. It should get it. I just... The idea of microwaving boiling water just sounds like spillage. Worst case scenario, I got a done deal with the load of dishes in there. I just unload it and I add the platter from the microwave in next time I do it, because I'm going to have another full load after I'm done with cooking right now. I make a lot of dirty dishes. A lot. So, that's a thing. Yeah, so... It's interesting. I can't stop thinking about my Victrola 1917 record player furniture item. I want to get... I watched a whole video of this guy. My wife was sleeping, so I had to like read the captions for it. I need to get this Williamsville wood cleaner and some other thing. I wrote it all down. A wood restore and a wood wax and feed. I need to go over the whole thing with that stuff. And I saw what he had, and it looked like it was kind of dingy and stuff, and it cleaned it up really, really nice. So I took off the plate. There's a thing called a brake on it. A lot of it, it's just like I opened it up and looked inside, and went to the maintenance part. That thing, you're supposed to put on this special lubricating oil and Vaseline. And I like open it up, and after reading the little instructions on where to like oil it, I'm like, okay, the thing reeks of Vaseline. I'm serious. It's interesting. But it's oily as hell, so I don't think I really need to do any more oiling of it. I don't want to mess with that. But one thing I found, the only thing I do need to grease up is the tone arm that goes like that across the record. I kept hearing this little dunk, dunk every once in a while. That was it creaking as it went this way. Because when you move it back and forth, it's like... So I got to get some like tri-flow in there, because I've always heard good things about that. I don't want to get any tri-flow. Maybe the maintenance guy has some. The maintenance guy. He's got everything. But, yeah, so that's my plan. If I see that guy, I'm like, dude, you got any tri-flow? I'll let you listen to a record. But yeah, that's what I need to do. And then I want to get one of the door handles isn't on it, so I could go get a new knob. Guess how much a new knob costs on eBay? Like $30-40 bucks. It's like, I don't I'll go aftermarket. I'll be bad. I won't get a stock 1917 Victrola part if it's gonna cost me that much. So I can just get knobs that look exactly the same. That's no problem. And I need to get a chain, because the lid comes up, but the chain's broken, so it goes back, and I want to have it like nice. All right. Ooh, it smells good. You can make a mess. Oh my God, it's hot. Whew. Yay. Okay, I need a paper towel to use that as a shield for my skin against the wow. I hear the microwave like it's not as hot as it's like clicking because of the amount of heat that was generated from this stuff. But it looks like we might be in business. So here is what we have. It looks like tteokbokki sauce. The noodle, and I have a feeling this is just fine. So I've gotten stuff from this company before that I've found in smaller Korean groceries. They're called Chil Farm, and I've had, what was it, sujebi? I don't know. It was good. So here's our chewy noodle. Let's see how chewy this is. Right there. It's chewy. It's nice. Ooh. Topokki. Perfectly done. Ooh. And a nice bite of heat. This is real stuff, folks. Look at that. Wow. Okay. I can say I recommend that. I've had, I can definitely also say I've had tteokbokki sauce that I like much more. But this will do. Sweet, spicy, you know the drill. But they call it tteokbokki with noodle instead of rabaki, and it's definitely a rabaki. Look at that. Wow-wee, folks. A meal. How are we gonna do? We're gonna slap on some scallion. We're gonna slap on the other egg. That'd be a really good name for a movie. Blah 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 presents The Other Egg. It was a cold, dark, stormy night. Egg was doing just fine, but realized there was another in the house. It was the other egg. Here it is, the other egg. Children under 17 must be accompanied by a parent. Yeah? The other egg, folks. So as I mentioned on the last episode, the next episode will be episode number 2600. I'm pretty sure. I committed that to memory yesterday when I was uploading stuff. So hopefully I'm right. Or I'm going to seem kind of foolish about the whole thing. And we're going to add some of the chili thread to this because this is really groovy. And I got to hurry because the sun is threatening, and I want my pretty picture spot to be perfectly fine for this. Yes, just right. So I am not going to reveal to you what the item for episode 2600 will be. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. Alright, so yeah, I ain't gonna tell you. You'll have to watch the show to find out. Anyways, that stuff's good. If you see it, get it. It's good. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. I'm hoping you're having an enjoyable day, and yeah, have a good one. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.